Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And this video I will show you how to star your important messages on WhatsApp. Open your WhatsApp, choose the record chat and record message to star. Press and hold on the chat you record and tap on the star icon on the top mid side. Now the chat is starred. If anything happened to your chats and messages, the starred message is remaining in your WhatsApp. For seeing the starred messages, you need to tap on the three dots on the top right corner and you can see the section starred messages. Tap on the starred messages. Here you can see your starred messages in chats. By doing this, you can make your WhatsApp more relevant and useful. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.